Hey y'all, Barry Bales here from Bales Farms, checking in with you. Haven't seen you in a while, so I wanted to share with you a really quick, easy, fun idea for, I know a lot of sports is winding down, football fans are getting sad, college football's over, pro football's about to be over, but we still got the big game ahead of us, we still got March Madness ahead of us, so this is something that you can do that's super easy, super quick, super fun. Smash burgers. Who doesn't love a smash burger? So what we've done is we have just rolled some ground beef, Bales Farms ground beef, up into some balls, salt and peppered them, and depending on what size buns you have, just size those accordingly. You know, you can make sliders. That's a great thing for a party, and all kinds of toppings go well with them. So what we're going to do is, we've got our egg heated up here. So I've got a little bit of butter in this cast iron skillet, and I'm going to put it on here and let the butter melt. Okay, our butter is melted good here in our cast iron skillet. We all love cooking with cast iron. It's hard to beat. It's a good seasoned cast iron skillet, particularly one that has been passed down through the generations, makes a really great thing to cook anything in. These smash burgers will go over real well. So if you haven't figured it out by now, here's how they get their name. You just smash them down. That makes them cook real quick. They're thin and fun to put on a slider to serve at your tailgate parties, at your big game party. You can add all sorts of toppings, traditional lettuce, tomato, onion, mustard. I tend to gravitate towards things like sliced jalapenos and all sorts of weird things. You can, whatever you like the best, you can just have a variety. It will be a hit with your crew, I'm sure. So we've given these a flip. Just takes a few minutes to cook and get them done. We're going to take these off, make room for the rest of them, plate them up. And they're ready to take in to the crew. So you don't spend all day at the grill missing the game. Just takes a few minutes. Super fun, super easy. So be sure and get those orders in for your Bales Farms ground beef, those of y'all in our delivery area. And we hope you have a great meal out of it, have some fun out of it, and thanks for joining us. See you soon.